It's not all about PanFan, and that's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can bundle launch your own token in Bucks, basically launching your token and buying it before anyone else, before any sniper, with different wallets and in just a few seconds with the best method available out there. So let's go directly to the process. So for launching our token on Bucks, we are going to use Bucks Bundler, which is basically a tool where you can put all the token information, select the wallets that will buy on the bundle, and launch. That's it. Really, really simple. We just need to connect our wallet. Here I got my Phantom wallet connected. I got some SOL. The total cost will be 0.1 SOL, so it's extremely cheap. And we just need to start filling in the name. In this case, I'm going to call it a structured risk, which is a product I'm just working on. It's just a sample. For sure, you need to do your own things, get a good logo, a good meme, and so on, in order if you want to actually go high. But in this case, it's just a sample just to show you how to use it properly. So then we select the image of a token. In this case, this one, for example. We can add social links to our token. This is really important that you have your own website, your own Twitter and Telegram account, so people can go and see that it's legit. Let me post something random. There we go. We can pre-generate the token address by paying 0.1 SOL more, which is basically if we click here, we will know before it launches the address of our token. It takes a bit because it needs to look for a token that ends on Bucks. Here we got our custom address. So if we want to check really fast, we can just get Axiom open or any platform you use and keep it paste here the contract address, so it will just appear once we launch it. Then we start with the bundle, with the buy or launch. We can select how much we want to buy with the selected wallet that will be paying this fee and will be the token deployer. Okay, in this case I'm gonna put 0.1 SOL, and then we can add other wallets through a private key. So we paste here the private key. This is the wallet. It's a random one, it doesn't have much SOL, so I will just put this just to show you, as I said. So once we have everything selected, we just need to click on Bucks, launch and buy. We will see the transaction on our wallet. There we go. We pay this first transaction, and then we have another one. Here is the second one where we are launching the token and buying the token here. This is the supply we are getting. We confirm, and if we come here fast, we should be seeing the token anytime soon, or even here we will see the token coming. Here we have, this is the token structured, launched on Bucks. As we can see, this is the wallet, the dev wallet, buying the 0.1, and this is another wallet, just a sniper, that bought 1 SOL of the token. If we wanted, we just can connect our wallet and sell it right here. Or if you have a bundle, or if you made a bundle with several wallets, you can also use our Bucks bundle sell, put the private keys here, and you can sell it straight away. I don't have my wallet connected here on Axiom, so just came to Jupiter, and here we can see that we bought the amount and this is the amount we can sell. So we can just sell it anytime. For sure, depending on the amount you are buying, the wallets you are using, if they are fresh or not, their history and so on, you will have more or less snipers. There are always snipers. As you can see, we got one of 1 SOL, but yes, he, left the tokens a few seconds ago, but it is what it is. You can always farm snipers using a proper setup of bundler, and if you are one of those guys that actually wanna go a step further, we got a Smithii Pro bot, which is basically an all-in-one bundler that have everything you might need to actually launch tokens in a bundle, trade your own token to generate volume and so on. If you want a whole video on how to use it, here you have it. It's pretty interesting, and you can actually level up your deving journey. So this is how easily you can launch your own Bucks bundle right now and farm some of those snipers or whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.